In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a one-click checkout setup for logged in users on your LifterLMS website. My name's Will Middleton from LifterLMS. Let's dive into it. So I'm currently logged in as the admin on the website, and if I view one of my courses, I'm not currently enrolled, so I'm going to see this access plan to enroll for free. When I click sign me up, it's going to take me to the purchase page, but it's taking me here because it doesn't know my first name, address, or phone number, and these are fields that it's asking for on the checkout page. If I were to go to the checkout page as somebody who's logged in and it already knows all the information about me, it's not going to really take me to the checkout page. Instead, it's just going to enroll me immediately into the course. So if we wanted to create kind of a one-click checkout setup, what we would need to do is remove all of these fields. So the only fields that we ask for on checkout are email and password. And if we go to an incognito window here, we'll see that it is asking for email password, but since I'm logged in, it's not asking me for that information because it already knows it. Let's go ahead and remove these fields from my purchase form in order to create this one-click checkout experience. So I'm going to head to the WordPress admin area. I'm going to head to LifterLMS forms. And here, the purchase information form is the one that we're looking at for all those access plans. And so I'm going to leave email and password because of course we want those, but let me go ahead and remove all of these other ones. First and last name block, I'm going to go ahead and remove that. Address block, I'm going to go ahead and remove that. And then phone number, remove that one as well. And then I'll update my form here and head back over to the course, and I'm going to try and enroll again, but now since the only fields we're asking for are email and password, what's going to happen is if a logged out user comes to the website and tries to enroll in the course, they're going to see that checkout page that's asking them for email and password. But if somebody is logged in, since we've removed all of those other required fields, when someone who's logged in clicks sign me up, it's just going to automatically enroll us. It's sort of a one-click enrollment or one-click checkout experience for enrolled users. Now, of course, if there's payment information involved, there's going to be that step of entering the credit card details. But for free courses, this is sort of a one-click checkout experience. If maybe you have a membership and you don't want students to view the checkout page every time, this is a way you can have sort of a one-click enrollment experience.